Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the Lemfo M3. As you can see, we have the package in front of us. It's a simple package and we will see all about the M3, what we have, the software, the performance, all kinds of stuff. Let's start with the box, see what we got here. As you can see, as I said, the simplest box is this one. We have only the logo of Lemfo, the M3 sign, and that's it. As soon as you unbox it, you will see the M3 smartwatch. You can see we have all black plastic and rubber bands. We have the buttons in the side that we will see in a bit. You can see underneath this foam we have the charger, which is very long and pretty good for charging the device, and we have the user manual as usual. As you can see, we have M3, we have the photo of the M3 from Lemfo, and we have some instructions in English and Chinese as well. So this is it, what we have in the box. Very simple and very easy to use. So Lemfo M3 has a built-in GPS, accuracy, heart rate monitoring, and multi-sport mode in the software, pedometer, sleep monitoring, IP68 waterproof. It has a 1.3-inch full touchscreen. It supports iOS 8.0 and above and Android 4.4 and above. It uses an app that is called Smart Time and has different languages that we can change. It depends in which state is shipped on. So we have, for example, English, Chinese, French, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, Romanian, etc. etc. Also, not to forget to mention, it has a built-in 300 mAh battery, so in work time it will last about 2 days, and standby time it will last about 5 days, which is not so good, but for this smartwatch is perfect. It has big screen, it has multiple function and option, and this is not surprising. You can see immediately when you plug it in, it starts to charge. It has a magnetic charger. You can see how it holds even though you put it in the ground when you charge it. So this is the some information about the M3. You can see right here the bands that I said are from rubber. We have plastic all around the screen, and these bands are very comfortable to wear in daily basic. Behind we have the charging port and we have the scanner. Let's power it on and see what we got. As you can see, the M3, the power button is in the left side, usually is in the right side. But in the right side we have two buttons for up and down, which you can use. When you press and hold the screen, it will open up the page to change the faces or wallpapers, how you want to call them, and you can see you can change them very easily. In this one we have the battery, time, date. We have here steps, heart rate, and burn calories that you can see in daily what you did. Down, as you can see, we have some information about steps and other activities. Up we have a taskbar with Bluetooth, vibration, do not disturb, brightness, and other stuff as well. You can see in the right now we have the menu starting from sport, heart rate, notification and weather, music, alarm, sanitary, and find phone. We have stopwatch, timer, app, and settings. This is the menu. Not so many things, but it's okay. We have indoor, outdoor run, walking, riding, climbing in the sport mode. Not so many options as well, but it's okay for this smartwatch. Let's see how this sport will work. You can see 3-second countdown. We have the time at the top, seconds go in here. We have blood pressure measurements, steps, burn calories, kilometer, and pace, and steps per seconds or whatever that is. So you can see we have quite a few measurements here or data. These are all saved, as you can see right here. The heart rate, let's give it a test and see how it works. You can see just a few seconds it will take the M3 to give you some measurements. which is very fast and very good thing for those people who use this smartwatch in daily. So these are just a few information about the Lemfo M3. I hope this video was helpful and interesting. If so, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch unboxing or how to connect it. So keep up with our videos.